Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and it is a haul video. The trouble I went through getting ready to film this video, I had to take off my makeup twice and start all over again because my eyes were tearing and it just kept messing everything up and ugh. So I have some items from a couple different stores or online purchases really. We got ColourPop, we got BH Cosmetics, we got Morphe, we got Bath and Body Works. So yeah, let's just jump right in and get started. So first off, I'm going to talk about the most cheeky item, I guess you would say. So first I'm going to talk about one of the items that I'm pretty excited about, and it is my Baywatch hat from Forever 21. And I got this hat, and next week I'm going to see Zac Efron, who you guys probably know that I love, and he's going to be promoting Baywatch, and I'm real excited. So next up, another thing that I'm really excited about, so we will go into my BH Cosmetics order. First, I got the BH Cosmetics V2 brush, and it looks like this. And initially I thought it was gonna be smaller, and I was gonna use it for a highlight. I mean, I still could arguably, but I actually end up using this more for just wiping away the bake under my eyes, and it's really great for that. So I got this brush, and then I got the BH Cosmetics number 16 fan brush, and I use that for contouring. I haven't decided yet if I like this more than my, typical angled contour brush, but we'll see. So obviously some of these orders I've had for a little bit, but they're all pretty recent, so I wanted to kind of tell you about them, and if I have tried them, let you know what I think. But some of the items will be first impressions, like I haven't even opened it. And lastly, from BH Cosmetics is from the Illuminate Cosmetics line by Ashley Tisdale, and I finally got in her lashes. I'm so excited. I bought 2 packs. They are individual cluster lashes, and I am so freaking excited to try them. Now that I'm filming, I actually want to open it and feel them. Oh, it does come with glue. I wasn't sure that it was going to come with glue, to be honest, but it does. I mean, it's a tiny little thing, but that's still nice. Okay, so the lashes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, they do feel nice. And there's different size clusters, and I'm really excited to try these out. I don't wear false lashes often. I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm kind of really bad at it, and I've heard that the individuals are easier to manage. The individual clusters like this are easier to manage, and so I definitely wanted to get these, and they were only $5 and change. That's really good. That's an amazing price, so I'm so excited to try these. As you guys know already, I absolutely love Ashley Tisdale and Illuminate Cosmetics. I've talked about her products before on my channel, so love it. Next up, I got in my order that I placed with Morphe, and I got the new Morphe Prep and Set setting spray, and I've used this once. It was today that I used it, and here's the story. What I love about it is it's got a beautiful mist. So nice. I don't want to waste it. It's great for wetting my brush and then using pigment or eyeshadow. But here's the issue that I ran into today. I did my makeup, I did my eyeliner and everything. Note that I'm not wearing eyeliner. And then I set my face with this. And I fanned myself like I usually do after, and I look in the mirror and my liquid eyeliner is everywhere. It was up in the crease of my eye. It was under here. I was so shocked. And I had to take my makeup off completely and do it again. And then my eyes were starting to tear because I had been rubbing them to get the makeup off, and then da-da-da-da-da. And so I had to take my makeup off again and start over again. And now here I am filming, and I just gave up on the liquid eyeliner. That wasn't happening today. So I will try this in the future for setting my makeup. I'll try again. But if it does what it did again, then I don't think I'm not gonna buy this again. But to be fair, the eyeliner that I used, the liquid eyeliner, I just hit the thing. The liquid eyeliner that I used today was probably like pretty old. It had been kind of like sitting a while. So maybe it had to do with the eyeliner that's not good anymore and I need to toss the eyeliner. We'll see. I'll try it again in the future. We'll see what happens. The other thing that I got from Morphe was the Morphe M510 highlighting brush, and I used that to highlight today, and I'm loving it. I had heard from Jeffree Star, Nikki Tutorials, Manny, Laura, like all of my faves were saying that this was a great brush for highlighting. So I picked it up and I'm loving it. Next up is not a makeup item, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway. I placed an order with Bath & Body Works and I got 4 3-wick candles. This one is honey and tangerine. Like, no one can describe smells. It's like impossible. But it says that the fragrance notes are sugared honeycomb, golden tangerine, and warm tonka bean. I don't know what the hell tonka bean is, but it smells amazing. It's not, if you don't like citrus, you might still like this. Now, I love citrus, and this has a pretty light citrus fragrance. Now, the one that you will not like if you don't like citrus is the sugared lemon zest, but I love it. Oh my god, I want everything to smell like this. I even have like the Bath & Body Works limoncello room spray. I'm obsessed with lemon. I have this candle right now, which you would have seen if you watched my I Heart Spring tag, but I just had to buy another one to have as backup because this is my favorite scent of all time at Bath & Body Works. This / the limoncello scent. Next candle is lemon mint leaf. Oh, smells so good. Another one of my favorites. I got this before in a small candle, and it's not as lemony as the other one, but again, it's a citrus smell and it's a little bit minty. It's self-explanatory. Let's see, is there any other notes? Lemon zest, spearmint leaves, verbena sprigs. It smells good. And lastly, candle that I got was Georgia Peach. And this truly smells like peaches, like sweet peaches. The notes are juicy peaches, dew-covered leaves, and a hint of vanilla. That is a true description. Oh, if you like peaches, this smells really good. And those are the candles that I got. And lastly, I'm going to haul my order that I placed with ColourPop. And this is the one that I was waiting for. It just arrived today, and I was waiting for this in order to film the video. So I'm gonna jump right in. I got quite a few items, and yeah, these will be like first impression. I'm gonna swatch them and everything like that. So let's go. First up, the only item that I did use that I ordered from this is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop, and it's her Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Alyssa, and that's what I'm wearing right now. I'm loving it. I love the Ultra Satin Lip formula, and I love Kathleen, so I wanted to get something from her line, and I'm loving this. It's so pretty. Next up, when I placed this order, they were doing a sale where like you spend a certain amount of money and you get a free mini. It might have been like spend $10, spend $15, something like that. I don't remember. But I ended up spending enough money to get 4 minis, and I'm gonna swatch these for you on my hand. I don't remember what they are, so we're gonna see. Alright, the first one is Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dopey. And it looks like this. It looks darker than the Kathleen one that I'm wearing, but let's swatch it and see. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a kind of like a mauve-y color. That's really pretty. Okay. Next is Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Prim. Looks like a really deep kind of wine color. When I open it, it looks... Okay, let me just... Oh. This isn't a color that I normally wear, but it is beautiful. It is the deepest, like, wine red. It kind of reminds me of ColourPop's Roach. Next is ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Frickin' Frack. I know this is a really popular one. I've never used it though. Swatch. Okay, so this is a nude, and it's like just a little more brown than the other one. That's pretty. I don't know if it will look good on me. I've never really worn a kind of more brown nude like that, but we'll see. And lastly from that is Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strip. And this looks like a very kind of true nude. Yeah, oh, that's pretty. This kind of, I feel like this would be maybe comparable to Candy, or one of like the nudes that, no, not Candy. Candy's more pink, but one of the nudes, maybe Dolce, that Kylie came out with. But that is Strip, and that's really pretty. Next is the Sonia Esman and ColourPop Here Comes the Sun Super Shock Cheek Palette. I probably butchered her name, but yeah. This one, I don't know, are there different shades of this? This is Here Comes the Sun. Got the blush, that's, I don't know how to say that. And then Summer Bonfire is the highlighter, but let's open it and see. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then you open it up, and it is that. Oh god, that's, oh, that blush though. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna swatch. Oh, it's so creamy and soft. Oh, that is beautiful. It's, oh, it's like a peachy pink. It's like a corally blush with like some gold in it, and it's satin finish, it says. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. And then the highlighter. Oh, also so creamy. I am so excited that they came out with some pressed highlighters, because I love how pigmented ColourPop highlighters are, but I don't like the formula of them. But the pressed ones, oh, are just so good. Oh my god, just look at that. Okay. And next I got a whole bunch of single eyeshadows, single pressed shadows from ColourPop. And what I'm going to do is I'm hopefully gonna have them fit in this little Z palette that I have. And as I take them out and show them to you guys, I'm gonna put them in there. And let's hope that they all fit, because I don't know if they will. First, this is shade Firefly. I should probably take it out of the plastic. You can't really see. Oh, this is a matte cream color. And I got this in hopes that it would kind of match my skin tone. And that is gorgeous. Let me put it in. These are not all gonna fit. I forgot how big the ColourPop shadows are. Okay, well. Moving on. This is the shade Wait For It. I'm losing light. and it is a beautiful matte pink corally color, and I don't have an eyeshadow like this, really. And so I really wanted one because of that whole peach trend going on. And just to do some more like fun, colorful looks. That's really pretty. I love the formula of ColourPop pressed shadows. Next up, we have Come and Get It. And this is a really nice pinky gold color. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do. These aren't gonna wet. This is a matte brown, I believe, called Top Notch. Kind of like a little bit of a reddish brown, really pretty. Then we have shade Making Moves, and this is a matte, more of a rosy pink shade. Another color that I wanted to add. Paper Tiger. This is a kind of cool toned brown, almost like mustardy yellow color. And Kathleen talked about this color, and I thought it sounded really interesting. I feel like if I rearrange these strategically enough, I might be able to make them all fit. Then we have a matte green shade called Team Captain. That's cute. And then a yellow shade called Tiki. And lastly, I have Let Me Explain, a gorgeous cream shimmer color. So those are all the eyeshadows, and that is everything from my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you've tried any of these products, if you want to, you know the drill. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.